Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to block emails on Gmail. To do this, you just need to go, open your Gmail, and after that, wait a little bit until your Gmail is open. And for example, I want to block this email. I just need to go and click on the three dots near to the unsubscribe button. And as you can see, there is an option that is showing that tell you like block and the name of the sender of this email. If I want to block him, I just need to click on it. And as you can see, this email is blocked now. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.